go to PickNPull and get some parts for our old cars. PickNPull. Gusto mo ba ng surplus na BMW Cooper? Sweet. Oh. Yeah, titingin lang ako dito, saglit lang. BMW. Wow. So many spare parts. So if you like to have a BMW, go here. If you have pang Lancer, ayan wagon, Volkswagen, Eclipse. Wow, nice. Sa mga Kia. Ito Kia Rio to. Donor car. Oh shit, lahat tanggal na lahat. Oh, wala na. We will be looking for door trim. Oh my god, this is so sayang. Okay. Nice. This one is clean. I can get it out. Tayo ito. Okay, we'll get this. Yes. Bagong-bago pa Okay. Hunting naman tayo. We're looking for right rear taillight. Success. Nakahanap kami ng mga parts. So next time, we're gonna install it. Next video.